Make an Instagram reel using just AI tools from FreePic. Here's how. First, go to the AI video generator. Choose a model that lets you add a start image and an end image. Then upload your images. Now write your prompt. Describe the shot camera movement, expression, body posture, just like directing a movie. Pick the video duration. For reels, 5 to 6 seconds per outfit works great. Click Generate. The tool will process your input and bring your idea to life. Want to feature more outfits? Just repeat the process with different images and prompts. Keep the style consistent for a clean look. Click Add to Video Project and select all your clips. Next, choose your soundtrack. You can use one from the library or upload your own. Then add some text to highlight key moments or give context. Once that's done, bring it all to life with smooth transitions and animations. Finally, give your project a name and export your reel. You've just created a full Instagram reel, powered by AI.